Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with nail fungus and looking for a safe, painless, and effective solution, then you'll want to stick around for this review. Today I'm talking about the PODOclear LLLT device, a light therapy treatment designed to tackle nail fungus without any side effects. Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive in. This device uses 470 nanometer blue light and 905 nanometer infrared light to penetrate the nail and target fungus right at its source. No messy creams, no harsh chemicals, just science-backed technology that works. The best part? It's super easy to use. Just plug it in, place your fingers or toes inside, and let the light do its magic for 10 minutes, twice a day. That's it. My experience? After using it for a few weeks, I noticed clearer, healthier looking nails. The device is comfortable, and I love that it fits all my fingers or toes at once, saving me time. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can use it at home or even on the go. If you've been dealing with stubborn nail fungus, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. PODOclear LLLT device is highly recommended. Click the link in the description below to get one for yourself. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.